welcome back. We are continuing our acoustic theme this week. I don't know how it's become a theme, but it is, because I've got another acoustic one to come later this week. And in this one we're looking at Van Halen's Ice Cream Man. Now the acoustic guitar part in this is played by Dave Lee Roth, and this tune was requested by Mr. Stefan Majewski, who is a patron and all-round legend. So thank you very much indeed, Stefan, for your support. And if you don't know what patron is, check out the link below. And for this lesson I'm just going to go through Dave's part, so if you do want the solo stuff, comment below. And I'll try and see if I can figure it out. I don't even know if I have a guitar capable of such tremolo antics, but I'll see what I can do. So we're not doing this in the original tuning, okay? We've just gone for an open E tuning. Okay, so the low E stays the same. The A string goes up to B. The D string goes up again 2 frets to E. Then the G string goes up just 1 fret or half a step to G sharp. And the B and E stay the same. Now this has got a shuffle feel as well, right? So it's quite quick. It's about 180 beats per minute. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But with the shuffle feel it's okay, but at speed it's. You're basically going to play on every offbeat the open B string. So it's okay. So that's the right hand pattern. It's thumb and then whatever finger you want to use. I'm using my second finger. Okay, and then on the last note, if you want to put it in, you can do a pull off while you play. So you play with your thumb, and when you pull off, you pluck the B string at the same time as you pull off. Hit those 2 notes together. That's the last bit, right? Now the next part would be incredibly simple. I mean, kind of very beginner blues stuff, right? Again, right? That is a bog standard 12 bar blues. Now the only thing that makes this tricky is this bit, which is chucked in between these parts. So how you want to do that with the right hand is up to you. You could play it with a plectrum and just have your, your third finger doing there. Yeah, you could do that, but I'm just using my fingers. So what I do is I do the downstroke with my thumb, and then I do an upstroke with my first finger. Okay, so let me show you that a bit closely. It's so I'm playing the E, well, the low 2 notes, right? Down, and then I'm flicking up on those same 2 notes, right? And you might hit like the 3rd string downer as well, right? The D, or whatever it is now. So for the main riff I'm playing with my thumb on my first finger, and then for that I'm playing my thumb and my second finger. Okay, so those 2 fingers. Alright, so but do what feels comfortable for you. That's what works for me. So let's break that up into chunks. The first part goes right, let's stop there. Basically open to, first finger on the second fret on what would be the A string, then off again. Alright? And then repeat. Then up to the 5th fret. Exactly the same, I'm fretting the 2 low notes and then putting my 3rd finger on the 7th fret on the what would be the A string. Right, so that again. And then you go into this. And that part slowly is just which is alright, on the A string, what would be the A string? 0 2 3 2 0 2 0 2. But with that syncopation of the extra the B note, right? So it just gives it that lovely bluesy feel, right? Then you go up to the 5th fret. Alright, so that is just exactly the same as the first little chunk we did, but you do 2 on the at the 5th fret position rather than 1 on the. Okay, you do both bars on the 5th fret. And then that again, right? So no different there. Then you're going to play the 7th fret and the 5th. And then another. But you cut it off there, so you play 1 bar of that. Which is down, up, down, up, down, up. So the whole thing through slowly. Back to E. B. A to E, B, or whatever the rhythm is there. Okay, then that whole thing plays around again. The only difference then is you've got this. By then, Eddie's in, right, with the electric guitar. I'm not going to cover that off in this, but if you do want it, I'll see what I can do. So for the stabs, that's a stab, you're going to play 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So the first one is just 2 3 4. The second bar is just 1 2 3 4. Okay, so you hit on the 1 and the 4. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, that's the easiest way to count it, I think. And then the next 2 bars are just 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. There you go, round again, right? And that's it. That's all you need to do for Dave Lee Roth's parts in this tune. So that was it, people. Stefan, thank you very much indeed again, mate. I do massively, massively appreciate it. And great suggestion. I had fun working this one out. See you soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.